Here's an interesting approach if you need to clip something to a shape in the print layout. I've added a map, it's zoomed to the Tokyo metro area, and the next thing I'll do is I'm going to add a circle via the add shape and then add ellipse buttons. As I'm drawing a circle, I'll hold down shift. That's going to give me a perfect circular shape. And then I'm going to position that right in the middle. As I move it, I get these guidelines and I can see that's perfectly centered. Perfect. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go and click the map on the right in the items panel. And I want to see this button for clipping settings. Sometimes it can be hidden if your panels on the right are too sort of squished in. So make sure it's visible. I'm going to click on it and then scroll down until I see clip to item. I'll hit that button and I just need to choose the item I want to use for the clip, which in this case is the ellipse. And that's how it works. Now we have a nice ellipse. If I want to move the map within the shape, I'd go to move item content. Now if you try that, you might find nothing happens. So you can turn off the ellipse temporarily because it doesn't need to be visible anymore because it's just been used for the clip. Okay, so that's how that works, and I can just hold down control and I can zoom in and do all the other things I need to do. So you can do that for a circle or any other shape, and just make sure you've got your map selected and it's the clipping settings button, and once you're there you need to scroll down and clip to item.